Changing your email on Chime is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Follow this guide to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Log into your Chime account. Access your Chime account by visiting the Chime website or opening the Chime app on your mobile device. Enter your login credentials to sign in. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is typically found in the menu, often represented by your profile icon or settings gear. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In Account Settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed with changing your email. Step 4. Enter your new email address. You will see a field to enter your new email address. Type in the new email you wish to use and ensure it is entered correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email, save the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to confirm the change. By following these steps, you can easily update your email address on Chime. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chime customer support for assistance.